What's up, exhaust addicts? I just want to let you guys know that we are located at Discount Muffler and Custom Exhaust, 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. You can give us a call anytime at 615-612-6244. Our hours of operation are 8:30 to 4:30, Monday through Friday, Central Time. Thank you for watching and enjoy the video.
1998 Honda Prelude. You don't see these anymore. They're so rare. Really cool cars, as you guys can see there. So he just threw a new motor in and a header, and then he brought it to us. There's the sensor before. There's the long tube header right there. Then we added a converter, high flow, right there. Then 2 1/4 pipe all the way back. He wanted it straight pipe. He wanted as much noise as possible. And then a 4-inch black tip to complete the look right there, as you guys can see. Came out absolutely beautiful. Came out nice. Look at that. All the way back. B-Tech. When was the last time you guys saw B-Tech? Anyways, let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment. Make sure you subscribe. Prelude. Go ahead. Ah, it's so loud. You can tell already. Yeah, he's gonna bring it back for me. I've done for him like 4 cars already. This is gonna be. It still sounds good though. 117, guys. That's crazy. Again. That's what we like to do, guys. Bring you guys all kinds of cars. Especially obnoxiously loud ones. Because why not? My ears. It's so loud. Let you guys hear on the inside. What do you think? It's loud. All right. On the Prelude, great pipe.